Welcome to our video on embedded software development. Today, we'll explore the key aspects of this fascinating field. Embedded software development can be divided into two main parts: embedded system software development and embedded application software development. Embedded system software development requires skills in C programming, knowledge of memory maps, digital electronics, and electrical fundamentals. This area is typically preferred by ECE and EEE students due to its proximity to hardware. On the other hand, embedded application software development requires skills in C++ programming and knowledge of application domains like graphics and networking. This area is generally preferred by CSE and IT students due to its focus on software. When developing embedded software, it's crucial to have clearly defined requirements for functionality, performance, and compatibility with the target hardware. Collaboration with the hardware team is essential to ensure seamless integration and optimization for specific devices. Real-time considerations play a significant role in embedded software development. Depending on your project, you may need to optimize for specific devices and ensure that hardware and software work together seamlessly. In summary, embedded software development is a multidisciplinary field that combines hardware and software knowledge. Whether you're interested in systems or application development, there are plenty of opportunities to explore and innovate. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on embedded systems and software development.